Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you searching for the latest Garvee coupon code to save big on your purchase? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple trick that most people don't know. And if you skip this video, you might miss the best discount available right now. So make sure you watch till the end, because there's a small step at the end that can help you unlock even better savings. Alright, let's get started. To get the latest and 100% working Garvee coupon code, you don't need to search anywhere else. Just scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there, click on it, and it will take you directly to a page where all the updated Garvee promo codes are available. Now here's the important part. Once you land on the website, don't just pick the first code. Try 2, 3 different coupons shown there because sometimes one code gives higher discount than the others, and this is how you get the maximum savings after that. Simply click on the Get Code button, copy the code, and apply it at checkout. Also, I'm not showing any code in this video because Garvee keeps updating their coupons during sales, so the link in the description will always have the latest working deals, so yeah. Go ahead, check the description, try multiple codes, and grab your best deal today. And if this trick helped you save money, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such saving tips.